This screencast is to show you how to get started with your research project slides draft. So the first step is to open a new blank Google Slides presentation. So all you need to do is click on the link that is right here in step 1. And this is going to open up the main page of Google Slides, and you're just going to select blank over here on the top left-hand side. So once you pick blank, it's going to open up a new blank presentation for you, and it should look like this. So I'm just going to give this a second to load everything. All right, so now if I go back to Schoology, step 2 is on the top left-hand corner of the page. Name your presentation, your name, research presentation. So I'm going to come up here where it says untitled presentation, and I'm going to change that so it has my name and then research presentation. So step 2 is now done. All right, so step 3 says click on the yellow share button on the top right corner. Share your presentation with Mrs. Janoka at, and then it's got my email address. So I'm just going to copy this so I don't have to remember it. And to make sure that I get the right one, so I'll copy that. And I'm going to go back to my slides again, click on that yellow share button. And where it says add people, I'm going to paste in my email address and I should pop up. And then you can uncheck this notify people button and just click share. All right, and then it says person added. That's how I know that that step is finished. So next, step 4, on the right-hand side of the page, select the theme you would like to use. So on the right-hand side is this list of themes, so I can scroll through and pick the one that I like. If for whatever reason you don't see this bar on the right-hand side, you can click on this theme button in your toolbar, and that will open this up for you. Now, if there is no theme that you like, none of these really grab your attention, there is a pro tip in Schoology. So if I don't see one that I like, I can go to slidescarnival.com and select a theme that I do like, and I'll show you how to do that now in case that's something that you're interested in. So again, I can just click on this link here in Schoology. And this website has all kinds of Google Slides themes. I can search, I can kind of just browse. It's totally up to you. But you're just going to find one that you like. And I can just hit view all. And I'm just going to find a presentation that fits my needs. And if I wanted to, I can kind of click through a bunch of them, but I'll just kind of pick one at random for the purpose of this screencast. So if this is the presentation that I like, I'm going to click on that presentation. And it's going to show me the sample again. But what I'm going to do, what I need is to scroll down a little bit. And I'm going to keep going until I see the presentation again down here. And I'm going to click on this Use as Google Slides Theme button. That's going to open it in a new tab. And then I'm going to have the option to use the template. So I went to Slides Carnival, I picked my template, I clicked Use as Google Slides, and now I'm going to click Use Template. And this is going to save a version of this slides document to my Google Drive. And now I can add this theme to my research presentation slides. So now that I hit use template, I can actually just close this out. I don't need it anymore. And I can close out Slides Carnival. And now I can come down here to this import theme button on my research presentation, click on import theme, and then here it's going to show me all of the themes that are in my Google Drive. So I've got a bunch here, the ones I normally use, but here, right here, is the one I just saved. I just need to click on that, then click on select, and it's going to import that theme right into this presentation. So I'm just going to click on it again, click on import theme, give it a second to do its thing. And now when I go to add slides, that layout is here, and I can choose the different slides that this presentation has by using this drop down and selecting the new slides I want to use. So I'll add my slides in using that presentation and begin drafting. So I'm going to use that presentation outline from earlier this week that I already completed, and I'm going to start filling out my slides. So my presentation title, I can probably just copy and paste right over. And to paste with, so that it matches the formatting of the slide, I'm going to press on my keyboard Shift, Control, and V at the same time, and that's going to match the font color and style of my presentation. If I don't press Shift, Control, V, and I just do regular Control, V, that's going to paste it like it was in my document, and then it's going to mess up my formatting. So when you're pasting from your outline, make sure that you're pressing Shift, Control, V, and that will match your theme. So you're just going to go through, start drafting all of your slides, and then once you're finished with drafting, you're going to return to Schoology, press that Submit Assignment button that's over here, press Create, and then submit the link to your document. If you need help with this, please reach out, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you out.